Next exercise. So, before exercise, just what is the angle, how to identify the acute angles, right angle and obtuse angle. But this exercise only complementary angles. What is a complementary angle? Complementary angles. What is a complementary angles? Sum of the two angles is equal to the 190 degrees, 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Sum of the two angles. Now this is a one angle, 30 degrees. Now this is another angle, 60 degrees. So these two angles we are adding how many degrees? 90 degrees. Now see. This is 30 and this is 60. So now these two angles is equal to the 90 degrees. These angles we are called complementary angles. Next one. This is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. So these two angles we are adding. So 45 degrees, 45 degrees. So these two angles is equal to 90 degrees. These two angles we are called complementary angles. So here exercise, first one, which of the following pairs angles are complementary? Here that definition write down. First one, very easy exercise, like a third exercise also easy. First one, here 110 degrees here given. Next one, here 30 degrees given. So here 110, here 30. These two we are adding how many degrees? Like this, like a coming picture. Here 30, here 110. So these are complementary angle? No. So not complementary angles. First one. Second one. 90. Here 90. So these two angles you are adding 90, 90. These are complementary angles. These two angles we are adding is equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. But here these two angles we are adding 180 degrees. So not complementary. This is 80 degrees. This is 10 degrees. So these two angles we are adding. So 80 and 10. So how many degrees total? 90 degrees. So these angles are complementary. Complementary angles. Next one. Find the complementary angle of the following. Here see. Look at this board. First problem. Second one. One angle given. A given angle. Given angle 25 degrees. So, given angle 25 degrees. Complementary angles, how many angles? Two angles. So, let another angle. Let another angle x. So, complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is a complementary angle? Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So here 25 plus x equal to 90 degrees. So 25 moving RHS. X equal to 90 minus 25. So x equal to 65 degrees. So another angle how many degrees? 65. Another angle is 65. So next one. Clear? Are you understand? Next one 40 degrees. So given angle, given one angle is 40 degrees. So what is the complementary angles? Two angles. Sum of the two angles. Sum mean SUM. Sum meaning addition. So sum of the two angles meaning added two angles is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Here only one angle given. Let means anuko. Let another angle x. So complementary angle. $90. So what is the complementary angles? Two angles we are adding. So x plus 40 is equal to 90. X equal to 40 moving to RHS. 90 minus 40. X equal to 50. So another angle. Another angle is 50 degrees. Next one, third one. 89 degrees. So given one angle 89 degrees, one angle given. Let another angle x. So complementary angles. Complementary angles 90 degrees. So 89 plus x. X plus 89 90 degrees. So 89 moving to RHS. X equal to 90 1 degree. So here another angle is equal to 1 degree. Next, last one. So 55 degrees given one angle 55 degrees, given one angle 55 degrees, let another angle is how many degrees? X degrees. So here complementary angles is equal to 90 degrees. So 55 degrees plus x equal to 90 degrees. 55 moving this side, x equal to 90 minus 55, x equal to 35. So another angle is equal to 35 degrees. So here all problems as is this like only. So one angle given, another angle not given, that two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Find the another angle. So you go to any class, this is only this type of one model only. One angle given, another angle not given, or sum given and both are equal asking. So find the angles. So next one, two angles are complementary to each other, are also equal. Find them. Third one. Here see, two angles are complementary, each angle are equal. So here let one angle is x, let another angle, see they are asking each angles are equal, each angles equal, so another angle also x. So complementary angles, what is a complementary angle? 90 degrees. So one angle is x, another angle is also x, so 90 degrees. Now here x plus x, what is the value? 2x. 2x equal to 90 degrees. Here 2 moving to RHS, x equal to 90 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 45 ja, 45. So two angles of the complementary angle, two angles of complementary angle is one angle 45, another angle 45. Now two angles are. So next problem, Manasa says Each angle in pair of complementary angles is always acute. Do you agree? Give reason. Here see, complementary angles 2. 45 is a acute angle. 45 is a acute angle. This problem. 89 is a acute angle. 1 is a acute angle. So, complementary angles, smallest angle, maximum smallest angle 1 degree, maximum highest angle 89 degrees. So these between only two angles. So yes, I agree with Manasa. Because see, complementary angles, sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So these two angles must and should 90 degrees below only. So 90 degrees below only. See, two angles is adding 90 degrees. So these two angles must and should, these two angles below 90 degrees possible, add 90 above. See, one angle is a 90, another angle is a 1. So there two angles we are adding 91. So that is a not complementary. One angle is a 89, one angle is a 1. So these two angles we are adding 90 degrees. So that is a complementary. So these two angles must and should below 90 degrees or must and should acute angles. Acute angles. So these two angles must and should acute angles. So we have finished exercise 2. Next class exercise 3. As is dislike only. There also given 4 problems. One problems 2 angles are complementary, supplementary, not supplementary, asking one angle given, another angle find out. So next agree question 3. Shall leave the class. Take care. Hi students, in last class we are discussing about the complementary angles. What is a complementary angles? See, complementary angles, sum of the two acute angles or sum of the two angles is equal to the 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Now here supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. What is a supplementary angle? Guess here also as it is the same definition. Here see, sum of the two angles is equal to the 180 degrees. That angles we are called supplementary angles. Sum of the two angles, is equal to the sum of the two angles is equal to the 180 degrees. The two angles we are called supplementary angles. So let's see. This is 110 degrees. This is 70 degrees. So 110, 70. These two are your add. How much? Here. These one 110. Now these one here reverse added. 70 degrees. Now total how many degrees? 180 degrees. So these are supplementary angles. So 110 degrees plus 70 degrees, both angles is added 180 degrees is equal. So these angles we are called supplementary angles. So let's see another example. Here 140 degrees plus 60 degrees. These both are we are adding. Here 140 degrees and these one this like a coming 60 degrees. Now this is a straight line forming. Now this is a forming reflex angle. So these are not supplementary angles. Simple. Here 140 plus 60, 200. 200 not equal to 180 degrees. 200 not equal to 180 degrees. So these are not supplementary angles. Here next one. 110 plus 70, 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These are equal. So that is not supplementary angles. Here 180 you write. So two angles is equal to 180 degrees. But these two angles 200, 180. These not equal. So that is supplementary angles. Now we are going to exercise 3. First problem. Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? What is that dust? I hope every student understand this one. So in your heart, don't doubt, you don't keep in doubt. One small doubt also you keep in your mind. That doubt repeating, coming. Or next class and after. So anything you learn, so don't you have without or that is right or wrong. So immediately your doubt, rectify, that is your self activity. So here exercise 3, first problem. Two angles given. One angle is 110 degrees and another angle is 70 degrees. These two are acute angle asking. So here see, 110 plus 70 is equal to here 110, and these 70 are 110. These 70 attached here. This like a coming here 70. So this is a 110 plus 70, 180. So supplementary angles. Next one, 90 degrees here 90 degrees. So see, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to these picture, this one here of so this like we are adding, this is 190, this is 190. So supplementary angles shows straight angle, forming straight angle. So these are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Next, third problem. Here one angle is a 50. Another angle is a 140. One angle is a 50 degrees, one angle is a 140 degrees. Total here 50 plus 140. Now you are adding 140 and 50. So these are not supplementary angles. Copy this one. Next, find the supplementary angles of the given below. Here second problem, first one. Given angle 105 degrees. So let another angle. So what is a supplementary angles? Two angles. Must and should two angles. But here one angle only given. So another angle, let another angle is a x. let another angle is x. So what is the supplementary angle? These two angles adding is equal to 180 degrees. So supplementary angle is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 105 is equal to 180. So 105 moving to RHS, x equal to 180 minus 105, x equal to 75 degrees. Another angle 70 degrees, 75. Here one small note. So important point. See, any two angles we are called supplementary angles. That two angles, one angle is the acute angle, one angle is the obtuse angle. 105 is the obtuse angle, 75 is the acute angle. These two angles we are adding is equal to 180 degrees. So two acute angle not possible to supplementary angles, two obtuse angles not possible to supplementary angles. Note, two angles are supplementary when one angle is obtuse and another angle is acute angle. So two angles are supplementary angles when one angle is obtuse and another angle is acute. Next one, second problem. Given angle 95. So here given angle 95 degrees, let another angle x. So x plus supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. So here x plus 95 is equal to 180 degrees. So x equal to 95 moving to RHS, 180 minus 95. So x equal to 85 degrees. Another angle is equal to 85. Third problem. So 150 degrees here given angle 150 degrees, let another angle x. So supplementary angles 180 degrees. X plus 150 is equal to 180. So x moving to RHS, x equal to 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. Another angle is 30 degrees. Another angle is 30 degrees. Next one, fourth one, 20 degrees. So given angle given supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. So here 20 plus x is equal to 180. These 20 move into RHS. X equal to 180 minus 20. X equal to 160. So let another angle is equal to 160 degrees. Copy this one. Hello? Next problem. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Just verify. Here, two acute angles. So, smallest acute angle, what is 1 degrees? Next, largest acute angle, 89 degrees. So these two acute angles forming supplementary degrees. So here 1 plus 89 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles, 1 degrees 89 degrees is equal to 180. 9 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So this is not equal. So two acute angles, here largest acute angle 89, smallest acute angle 1 degree. So two largest acute angles we are adding. How many degrees? 178 degrees. So these are not equal. So two acute angles cannot form supplementary angles. Clear? Largest acute angle 89, two acute angles 89 plus 89 178 is equal to 180 degrees. No. So these two acute angles cannot form the supplementary angle. Next one, two angles are equal and supplementary each other. Find them. So two angles are equal. Let one angle is equal to x. Another angle, let another angle is equal to, two angles are equal. Two angles are equal. So here also x. So supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. These two angles x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x, 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So x equal to 180 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 90 ja. X equal to 90 degrees. So each angle 90 degrees. So exercise 3 also we have finished. Tomorrow we are going to exercise 4. So I hope every student on this topic. So here supplementary angles, two angles are is equal to 180 degrees. One angle given, another angle find out. That is these are problems. So shall leave the class. Take care.